So over this module, you learned a lot about the basics of Redux. There also are things we haven't had a look at yet, running asynchronous code. I find it important to first of all dive into the basics though, and now start using the basic knowledge we gained in our course project, in the Burger Builder. You learned how Redux works in general, that you work with reducers and actions, that you connect your React containers to Redux, to that store you created, that single store you have, this one. That you can split up your reducers into multiple reducers with combined reducers as I showed you. And that you should always manipulate your data immutably. Never directly mutate the store. You also see that we still work with container and presentational components. We have the containers here, which are connected to Redux, where we get the state as props or the dispatch actions as props. And that we then can still distribute our data down to other components. So this pattern hasn't changed. But of course we can create as many containers as we need in the application to connect them to our state and get the relevant slices of the state in each of our containers to then distribute it across all presentational components this container knows. This is Redux in its core. I hope the basics about it and how you use it with React are clear. Let's in the next lecture use Redux in our Burger Builder application.